What's up, tech downloaders, and welcome to another one of our videos. In today's video, we're actually going to go over how to use your new iPhone. So this is our iPhone for Beginner series, and we're going to go over some real cool tips and tricks on navigating the new iPhone and a lot of the gestures and a lot of things you can do with it. This series is really meant for people to understand the technology that they have in their lives and how to use them properly. So if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and also share your thoughts and comments on what other how-tos you'd like to see on the channel coming up. So let's get started. So now we're going to be demonstrating how to use the iPhone on the iPhone XS Max. Now this can actually work for any iPhone running the latest versions of iOS because most of the gestures and things that we're going to do on the screen translate to the newest iOS platform. So let's get started. All right, so one of the first things we're going to take a look at is the structure of the iPhone itself. So on the side, we have the wake and sleep button. And then on the other side, we have the volume rockers, the volume up, volume down. We also have the charging port with the two speakers at the bottom. Now, missing from this iPhone is the actual home button that would contain the Touch ID. So you would have to use Face ID by these cameras up top in order to actually unlock the phone, and I'll show you how to set up Face ID. So we're just going to get into it now, and simply you swipe up to unlock the phone itself. Now, before we even get to that, when you swipe up and you get to this particular screen, you do have these two options down here. So this one is for your camera and this one is for the flashlight. Now the way you activate these is you're going to press them as if you were pressing a button. So you just literally press down as if you were pressing a button in order to get the camera to launch, and then you just swipe back up to get back to the home screen. And now you can do the same for the light, and then turn it off, and then swipe back up to get to the home screen. And now once you're in the main screen, a lot has changed because that home button is missing. Now you have your notifications. If you swipe down from the top, on the left side, it brings down your notification center. All the information you need for your notifications will show up right here, and you can actually scroll through and dismiss and clear notifications as needed. And then you're just going to swipe back up to get to the home screen. Now, that's going to be a common theme with this new iPhone, is swiping back up will get you back to the home screen in most situations. Like from apps, if you're actually inside of an app, we're just gonna go inside of one real quick. Now, if you wanna get out of the app and you wanna go home, simply swipe back up and it gets you back to that home screen. Now, if you swipe down from the other side, you have your action center. And this action center has a lot of controls that you can use to do different things. Like you have your airplane mode, you have the ability to toggle on and off the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you have the ability to control your music, and you also have the ability to do some different things like the flashlight, the timers, camera, calculator. All that can actually be launched from the action center. And again, swipe back up to get back to the home screen. All right guys, so that's going to do it for a really quick tutorial on navigating and using the brand new iPhone. Again, some of these tips will work for any iPhone that's running iOS 12 because a lot of these gestures are baked into the operating system itself. Now, if you enjoyed the video, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and also share your thoughts and comments down below on some how-tos and walkthroughs that you'd like to see either on iOS or Android, where we're doing the full gambit so you guys can have a better idea and become more tech savvy. Thanks guys for checking out the video, and until next time, peace out.